Welcome to hands-on toy making learning. Today I am going to tell you how to make a sprinkler. You know sprinkler who shed the water to the plants or the on the other thing. So we have a straw, right? This is straw. You can find it at any stationery shop, and you can also I have also purchased such kind of straw because these type of straw are somewhat lightweight. So if there is any difference between the light and the heavy weight to preparing a sprinkler, so you can change the straw. So this is straw. We have just put one stick. This is the stick of broom, right, at the center. After that I have made a cut on the both side so that it could bend. I am preparing small sprinkler. Earlier I have prepared big sprinkler, right? I am making two kind of, just to check the sphere, how much far it will throw the water. This cut you can see, right? So I have cut it from this, right? Same as on the other side. We will measure the equal distance from the center. Right now I am just doing it with the idea. And now, so we have cut it one side. Likewise we will cut on the other side also. I have cut it. So like this we have created, right? So we will push this at the end, this, right, this end, and we will see. इसमें जितनी ये लाइन लंबी होगी, जितनी ये लेंथ लंबी होगी, उतनी दूर तक जाएगा. तो sprinkling of water, throwing of water from this sprinkle depends upon the length of this, right? You can try. This is smaller one and this is bigger one. It is your choice whether you want to make smaller one or bigger one. If you want to spread the water widely, so you can make this one, right? Because the water will throw from this end, right? As much as long it will be, so it will spread far accordingly. Okay, so I am cutted the tape, and you have to leave the hole. You don't need to cover the whole of the pipe of the straw. These holes should be uncovered, right? These holes. It will see, right? So I have pasted it like this, right? Now I am putting this. Water should be, the end of the hole should be dipped in the water so that it take the water, right? There is a principle of science behind this toy, right? The water moves upward through the straw, right? Just a minute, I am pouring the water in this bowl. Now we have two type, right? Now you have to spin this, right? So this is sprinkle. So, and this is bigger one. So these two type of sprinkle you can make, and you can also make the sprinkle for your garden with the help of PVC pipe. It is another project. So till now you have to prepare this type of sprinkle and you can play with it. Thank you. टेप इसी में से निकालना, इसी में से निकालना है, दूसरी चाहिए तो वहाँ पर रखिए।